Hi everyone, my name is Amy. I'm a physiotherapist at Proactive Pelvic Health Center, and today I'd like to take some time to talk about eliciting the relaxation response. So the relaxation response is something that can be used to counteract the stress response, which occurs when our nervous system is in a sympathetic state or fight or flight in response to some perceived stress. In this state of stress, things occur like increased blood pressure, heart rate, and release of stress hormones like cortisol to prepare the body to be able to react. So our body's having this reaction to acute stress is completely normal and possibly even helpful, but we're not meant to be in this sympathetic state for prolonged periods of time. Long-term effects of stress include fatigue, sleep disturbance, muscle tension and tenderness, and depression and anxiety, among others. This is commonly seen in individuals with persistent pain as well. Luckily, there are some methods that are known to elicit the relaxation response, which is going to counteract the stress response by increasing parasympathetic nervous system drive. This results in things like decreasing the breathing rate, relaxing the muscles, and reducing heart rate and blood pressure. By putting a pause on chronic low-level stress, we can reduce the negative effects on the body and mind. So the first method that I'd like to discuss that helps to elicit the relaxation response is mindfulness meditation. Meditation includes different techniques that are intended to encourage a heightened sense of awareness and focused attention. So it's not so much just clearing your mind of thoughts, but it's more about the practice of directing your attention to your thoughts and acknowledging them without judgment. Body scanning or progressive muscle relaxation are also meditation strategies that are helpful for eliciting the relaxation response. So this would involve directing your attention to different areas of your body, gently tensing and then relaxing those muscle groups to have that focused attention on that area and encourage relaxation. You can easily start a daily meditation practice to encourage eliciting the relaxation response in your body and mind by using different apps like Insight Timer or Headspace. Or if you want to have more in-depth training, you can take courses with a mindfulness practitioner.